Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at three more potential altcoins to buy in the month of October. So if we take a look here, the market has been booming in the past 24 hours. Green once again, it is up about 2.56%. We're seeing a very huge crypto bull run right now. Our top gainers here in the past 24 hours is going to be Adventure Gold, which is up about 49.66%, trading at $4.59 right there per coin. Our highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin volume at 35.4 billion, Ethereum at 16.5 billion. Bitcoin's up 4.7%, trading around this 51,355 area, which we'll get into later on into the video. We're pretty much back to where we were just a few months ago, at the all-time high situation for September, I believe, or actually August, end of beginning of September. So we're at those areas once again. Ethereum at 3,500, up about 3.72% here. We see all these other altcoins are either up a little bit or down a little bit. Doge is obviously moving here with Shiba Inu as well, as Doge and Shiba have been moving in the past 48 hours or so, making some great moves, especially Shiba. Shiba's up over 100%, I believe, in the past 48 hours. We have some other altcoins that are up or down a little bit. As you guys can see, Shiba's up 42.28% here just in the past 24 hours. Market cap at over 7.2 billion. In yesterday's video, we covered Shiba. So if you missed that video, check that video out. I believe the market cap was around 5 billion. So it's already making some, momentum right there. And soon we could be trading at a 10 billion market cap or higher. So definitely one to be watching. So let's get into it, guys. But before we get into it, smash that like button, guys. It helps the channel out. So let's get 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And leave a comment below letting me know which crypto are you potentially buying in the month of October. Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Helium, HNT. This one is a little bit undervalued right now, and I feel like a lot of people are not, seeing this one, but this one has been booming, especially, in the beginning of this year. So this one is up about 1.78% here. It is trading at $21.55. In the past week, we're up about 27% from lows of $16. In the past month, we're down about 9.4%, and then on the 1-year chart, we're up over 2,055%. This coin was trading at around $1.30 last October, hit highs here in May at 1951, pulled back down all the way to lows of 971. And then we rocketed on higher here in August to 26.31, and with a pullback now, hopefully another consolidation, bring back up and come back to the all-time highs, breaking through that all-time high area and potentially continue to go higher. Market cap only at 2.1 billion, so the market cap is still very, very low on this coin. Volume is the average like usual. All-time high, like we said, 26.69 per coin. Our circulating supply is 99.2 million, which is around 44% of the total supply. So obviously, Helium gets mined with the Helium miners. We have the Bobcat miner, different, miners out there actually. And a lot of people are, definitely getting in on this coin. I know there's actually a, shortage with these miners that people are, investing in. It's taking months and months and months just to get these miners to come into the mail. I personally actually ordered one of these miners at the beginning of the year. It's been about 7 or 8 months and we're still waiting for these miners to come in. They keep on sending us emails saying that it's going to come in, at a later date, and it keeps on getting postponed. Right now, I think they're saying that it might come in sometime in 2022. So we're going to be waiting pretty much even longer just to get these miners in. So definitely something interesting to see as more of these coins are getting mined. Market cap only at 2 billion right there. It definitely has more potential in the future, so it could continue to go on higher, and it's definitely one that I'm going to be watching. For this one to continue to grow. I mean, if we just get up to about 10 billion market cap, this coin would be trading at around $100 per coin. And that's a reasonable area right there. So one to add to your radar and see what happens in the long term, guys, is going to be Helium right here. So definitely an interesting one. Next up, we have Litecoin LTC. This one used to be one of the top 3 coins, obviously, in the world back in the day in 2017. Very popular coin back then. It was, the silver to Bitcoin's gold, I guess you could say. So this one is up about 1.7% here in the past 24 hours, trading at 171. In the past week, we're up about 22% on this one. In the past month, we're down 26%. And then on the 1-year chart, this coin is up over 280%. So this one was trading at $45 last year, hit highs here in May, hitting, highs of 413, almost at that 420 area, which was actually the all-time high in 2017 that we couldn't break through. We pulled back down to 107 and then came back up to about 232, so about 100% gain right there. But if we take a look here, the chart, longer chart right here, like we said, December 11th of 2027, or 2017, we saw it hit highs of 420, and we have not been able to break through those highs. We were so close here in May, but then we saw the crypto market kind of crash and pull back down, and we were not able to break through that all-time high. So we were so close. You know, the candy was right there. Our hand was reaching out, and then the candy was taken away by the parent, guys. So that's pretty much what happened right there. Market cap at 11.8 billion right now. Volume is flat. Typical hold time is 98 days. Ranked number 13 on our list. 46% buy, 54% sell. So Litecoin obviously is a cryptocurrency that uses a faster payment confirmation schedule and a different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin. How does all that work? As a fork of Bitcoin, Litecoin did not aim to change the fundamental logic or architecture, being nearly identical to the Bitcoin in terms to, for the use and design, but with a reduced transaction confirmation time and much lower costs, as much as 50 times lower depending on the market conditions. So very interesting right there. Now, keep in mind, Litecoin's speed and relatively low fees make it appealing as a payment option and means of transferring value, but the network has significantly fewer miners than Bitcoin, which has negative effects in terms of overall network security because there's less miners in the situation. So that's another thing to keep in mind. But Litecoin still, lower market cap here at 11.8 billion. It was a lot higher back in the day at over 25, 30 billion market cap. So there's plenty of room just to get back to, to those all-time high areas if that is ever to happen, which could potentially happen. You never know what's going to happen. This coin could get like a second life type situation and continue to move on higher. So one to add to your radar as well to see how it's going to perform in the rest of 2021. And then third, last but not least, we have Stellar Lumens, XLM, another popular coin on our list. This one is up about 2.4% here in the past 24 hours, trading at 32 cents. In the past week, we're up 24%, making a nice move. In the past month, we're obviously down almost 20% from highs of 43. And then on the 1-year chart, it's up over 340%. So this one last October was trading at 7 cents. Here in May, we saw, highs of over 80 cents. Pulled back down to 2021, and then we hit new highs here at around 42. So we still have a lot more, ways to go just to get back up there. Over 100% potential just to get back to the all-time highs, closer to 15 to 20 billion market cap. Right now, we're at a market cap of 7.6 billion. Our volume is around 606.3 million, which is pretty much flat. Typical hold time on this one is 32 days. It is ranked the number 21 coin. The trading activity, it's definitely on the sell side. 66% sell, 34% buy. Stellar's cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumens, powers the Stellar payment network. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. So how it all works? Well, XLM fuels activity on the Stellar network. The Stellar network is a system designed to help payment cross borders much faster and more cheaply than with the traditional financial system network. So, for example, a bank in Japan might use Stellars to send money to a bank in Mexico. Stellar would automatically convert yen to XLM, send the payment via blockchain, and convert XLM to pesos at the best current exchange rate. Now, Stellar was intended to work alongside existing assets and cryptocurrencies, allowing users to create digital representation of any asset as a Stellar token. These can then be used to transact on the blockchain and can be redeemed at any time for the base asset. Now, keep in mind, XLM is positioned to be particularly useful in developing markets where it aims to serve as a low-cost bridge for cross-border transactions, allowing users to send and receive payments in their preferred currency. In early 2021, the Ukrainian government selected Stellar as its partner in development of a national digital cryptocurrency. So, there are states out there or countries out there that are, accepting this coin. Stellar Lumens, definitely one that could be, popping in the future 5, 10, 15, 20 years away from now. This coin could be a big one. You never know what can happen in the crypto market, and it's definitely one that we're going to be watching on our radar as well. So that is going to be our third cryptocurrency on this list. Now, overall, guys, market is very bullish, like we're saying. So if that's interesting to you, let's take a look at the rest of the market and see how everything's performing. Solana's still at 162 here, down 2%. Doge is up 5%. Just like Shiba Inu is getting some momentum right now in the past 48 hours or so. Pretty much making the same moves, just a little bit lighter. Obviously, Shiba is exploding way higher than Doge is right now. But Doge is making similar moves, just a little bit lower, like I said. Trading at 25 cents right now, 32.9 billion market cap. That market cap is slowly climbing back up again, but we're very, very far away from that all-time high at 74 cents or higher. We have about a good way to go, over 150, close to 200% upside just to get back to the all-time highs, which I personally don't think we'll ever reach. Then we have Bitcoin, which is currently up about 4.17% here in the past 24 hours. So yesterday's video, this was trading at 49,000. Today we hit over here on Tuesday, we hit over almost 52,000, which is the area we were trying to break through. In the past week, this one's up 25%. In the past month, it's flat because those were the highs we hit last time, 52,944, and then we saw the crypto crash kind of, pull back. So that is the area we're looking to break through, 53,000. If we can break through that 53,000, our next mission is going to be obviously about 55, and then after 55, we aim for 60. If we break through 60, we're very close to those all-time highs, and we will be in arm's reach, I guess you could say. By the end of 2021, anything is possible right now. We're making this huge recovery. Market cap 972.3 billion. We're slowly creeping up on that 1 trillion market cap. I truly believe once we break through that 1 trillion market cap, we will continue to boom. Right now, this is 31% of the crypto market, 35.9 billion volume right there. Typical hold time is 86 days, 52% buy and 48% sell activity. Ethereum, pretty much same pattern, up about 3.72%, trading around this 3,500 area. We were just at 3,300 last night. In the past week, we're up 25%. In the past month, down 11%. Obviously, the area we're looking forward to here is 4,000. So it is a little bit lagging behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum right now to get back to those highs. Market cap, 413.6 billion, which is about half of what Bitcoin is, which is 13% of the crypto market. Typical hold time is 83 days, 55% buy, 45% sell. Ethereum still doing very well, 3,500. We're close to those all-time highs, just like with Bitcoin. We're seeing that momentum, and obviously, as these large cap coins continue to go higher, these lower market cap and mid market cap coins are going to continue to go higher as well. So definitely going to be interesting to see how the rest of the market is going to perform with Bitcoin and Ethereum close to these highs. So definitely leave a comment below letting me know what you think is going to happen. As always, guys, smash that like button for me if you enjoyed the content like this. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so speak to your financial advisor before investing. This is all for entertainment purposes only. No, understand that, do your own due diligence and understand the high risk, high reward type situation you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.